What's that one, Mom?
Oh my gosh, it's Sully and Capybara and Mr. Incredible! It's a Disney inventing! What the heck is it? Oh my God! It's a Disney inventing!
Open up the other blue.
Unlock a different land. No. This one's different.
Disney inventing Mike Wazowski!
And what's that pouch on top, Shaw?
Just
Is that an extra buy?
It's like an extra, I think it's, I don't know, something like a rocket packet
Do you
or...
want to see what kind of die this is?
Yes, it's Mike Wazowski.
William, your Disney Infinity game is inside that box.
This box?
Yes, did you know that?
Oh my
The
God.
Disney inventing game?
Yes.
Is Disney inventing out now?
Yes! Do you want to play it right now?
Yes.
Right now?
Yes. 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 Open it.
Yes, two more though.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.